Hello friends, this is Mrs. Tanmay Nikhil Kutte from PES Modern College of Engineering. Today I will discuss about K-map in digital electronics. Sometimes it may happen that using Boolean algebra, the simplification of Boolean expression, simplification of logical expression becomes difficult. So K-map, it is a graphical technique to solve or to simplify the Boolean expression. K-map is the graphical representation of Boolean expression in a table-like structure. K-map, it is a graphical representation. K-map, it is a cell-like structure on which you can represent Boolean expression. K-map can be drawn for 2 variables, 3 variables, 4 variables and 5 variables. But solving the K-map of 5 variables is difficult. So till 4 variables K-map is easy to solve. Whatever expression drawn with the help of K-map is in the simplified form only. Now, as I already told that it is a K-map leads a cell-like structure. Now let's see how to calculate number of cells in K-map. To calculate number of cells in K-map, there is one formula, that is 2 raised to n, where n is number of variables. For example, if we are drawing the K-map for 2 variables, the number of cells will be 2 raised to 2, that is 4. If we are drawing the K-map for 3 variables, then number of cells will be 2 raised to 3, that is 8. If we are drawing the K-map for 4 variables, then number of cells will be 2 raised to 4, that is 16. K-map always uses gray code to represent numbers or to represent cells. Now let's see how to draw 2 variable K-map. Let's assume that we have 2 variables A and B and we want to draw K-map for these 2 variables A and B. Let's calculate number of cells. As there are 2 variables, so 2 raised to 3, there will be 4 cells in my 2 variable K-map. So this is how we can draw 2 variable K-map. As we are having 4 cells, 1, 2, 3, 4, this is A, this is B. Possible values are 0, 1, 0, 1. Now let's identify the value of this cell. So 0, 0 is 0, A0, B1 is 1, A1, B0 is 2, A1, B1 is 3. Or you can draw the same structure as like this. You can write B over here, A over here. This is 0, this is 1, this is 0, this is 1. Let's identify the value. It will read in this direction. A is 0, B is 0. So it is 0. A is 1, B is 0. It is 2. A is 0, B is 1. It is 1. A is 1, B is 1. It is 3. So this is how you can draw 2 variable K-map. Now let's proceed towards 3 variables. Let's assume that we are having 3 variables A, B and C. Number of cells are equal to 2 raised to 3, that is 8. So this is how we can draw the structure. For example, this is A, this is BC. As A is the single variable, possible values are 0 and 1. B are the 2 variables, so possible values are 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. So this is structure of 3 variable K-map. Count number of cells, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 cells. Read the equation in this direction. So value of this cell A0, B0, C0 is 0. A0, B0, C1 is 1. A0, B1, C1 is 3. A0, B1 C0 is 2, A1 B0 C0 is 4, A1 B0 C1 is 5, A1 B1 C1 is 7, A1 B1 C0 is 6. Now let's see how to write the cell values in terms of variable. This is A bar, this is A, this is B bar, this is B. So these are the values in terms of variables. This is B bar, this is B, this is A bar, A bar, A, B bar, C bar, B bar, C, B, C and BC bar. The same 3 variable K map you can draw like this also. You can keep AB over here and single C in upside corner. So your possible cell alignment will be, this is 0 0 as there are 2 variables, 0 1, 1 1 and 1 0. And in case of C, as this is single variable, this is 0, this is 1. Let's write in terms of variables. This is A bar B bar, this is A bar B, this is AB and this is AB bar, this is C bar, this is C. Let's identify the value. 0 0 0, it's 0, A0 B0 C1, it's 1, A0 B1 C0, it's 2, A0 B1 C1, it's 3, A1 B1 C0, it's 6, A1 B1 C1, it's 7, A1 B0 0, it's 4, A1 B0 C1, it's 5. So the 3 variable structure for K-map can be drawn like this. Now let's proceed towards 4 variable K-map. Let's assume that we are having 4 variables as A, B, C and D. The number of cells are equal to 2 raised to 4, that is 16. So in 4 variable K-map you are having 16 cells. Now let's draw the structure of 4 variable K-map as this. This is my variable AB, this is my variable CD. Values are 0 0, 0 1, 1 1, 1 0. Here values are 0 0, 0 1, 1 1 and 4th cell will be 1 0. Now let's identify the cell numbers 0 0 0 0. I am reading this in this direction A B C D and writing the values. So this is 0, this is 0 0 0 1, so 1, 0 0 1 1 is 3, 0 0 1 0 is 2, 0 1 0 0 it's 4, 0 1 0 1 it's 5, 0 1 1 it's 7, 0 1 1 0 it's 6, 1 1 0 0 it's 12, 1 1 0 1 it's 13, 4 times 1 it's 15, 1 1 1 0 it's 14, 1 0 0 0 it's 8, 1 0 0 1 it's 9, 1 0 1 1 it's 11 and 1 0 1 0 it's 10. In case of variables, in terms of variables, this is A bar B bar, this is A bar B, this is AB and this is AB bar. This is A bar B bar, sorry, C bar D bar, C bar D, CD and CD bar. The same 4 variable K-map you can draw like this by keeping CD over here, AB over here. There will be 16 cells. Possible values are 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. You have to read the equation in this direction A, B, C, D. So first cell will be 0, 0, 0, 0, that is 0. Second cell is 0, 0, 0, 1. No, it's 0, 1, 0, 0, 4. Third cell is 1, 1, 0, 0, it's 12. This is 1, 0, 0, 0, that is 8. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. 0, 1, 0, 1, 5. 1, 1, 0, 1, 13. 1, 0, 0, 1, 9. 0, 0, 1, 1, 3. 0, 1, 1, 1, 7. 1, 1, 1, 1, it's 15. 1, 0, 1, 1, it's 11. Last 0, 0, 1, 0, it's 2. 0, 1, 1, 0, it's 6. 1, 1, 1, 0, 14. 1, 0, 1, 0, it's 10. So this is how we can draw the K-map structure for 2 variables, 3 variables and 4 variables. This is K-map structure for 2 variables. You can draw like this or like this also. This is K-map structure for 3 variables. You can draw like this or you can draw like this also. This is K-map structure for 4 variables. You can draw like this or you can draw like this. Thank you.